You know, I'm a little curious what is through here. Let's check it out. It's a historic monument. I know some Romanian. I'm not that stupid. I'm an American, but I'm not that dumb. I actually got a few marbles in my head. They can be loose, but I can think. Ah, look at this. Let's check it out. See, isn't vlogging with Charles fun? It's a cool old school lamp. You know, they say I'm here during Easter. Honestly, I did not know that. I don't keep track of times or calendars. You know, my birthday just passed and I didn't realize it till like a few days ago. I never pay attention to anything. I mean, hell, when I was in school, I didn't pay attention to the teacher. Nope. I don't listen to anyone. That's just how I am. I'm my own personality. I listen to no one except myself. I know everything. Everyone else knows nothing. You gotta trust yourself and be true to yourself, my friends. Don't listen to people. Don't take their influence. I don't. Just do you, be true to yourself. That's all that matters. Look, that's a pretty cool church. I like that. This is a nice ground. I like this. This is nice. God, this is pretty cool. I'm curious to how old this is. Okay. You know, this is like good therapy. It's a good hobby. You know, it's always good to have a hobby. Some people, they build models or put puzzles together. I'm doing this from now on. I used to write fiction novels, and I'm like, this is a lot more fun. I could do this all day, you know. By the end of this trip, I'm gonna have a ton of videos here. It'll take a while to upload. God, I'm trying to see. My thing is to just detail everything you see, record it, and if you have a comment, make it. Just say whatever. Just spew out nonsense if you have to. Just have fun with it, man. Vlogging is a hobby now. I'm doing this from now on, and I don't care if anyone watches my videos. I don't. It's all about the journey, not the result. Who cares? Just do the do, right? Just walk your path, do it. And who cares if they watch my videos? Just do this, you know. Pigeons. Yep, this gives me something to do. I should have been doing this years ago. Oh, man. There's that dog again. Hello again, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, I like that guy. If he needed a loan, I would give him the money. He's my new friend. Yep, that guy needs to borrow 200 bucks. I'm giving it to him. I'm gonna go this way. There's an old school tram. This is an interesting area. Pretty neat. Bread. See, look at this. Bread is everywhere here. They do grow a lot of wheat in Romania. But look at that. That's a lot of bread. Let's go look down here. Okay, pretty cool. Like that clock right there. The clocks are pretty cool, but I don't need a clock. Hey, who's that? Interesting. This is like a little one of Iași's hidden gems. Pretty nice. But I need to go back this way. They have a Thule coffee. That's not bad. I have to remember that next time I'm in the area. I think I'm gonna get one. Look at that guy. Yeah, he's following me, man. Sometimes you gotta be a little weird. Makes your videos more interesting. You know, you ever watch Family Guy? You see how stupid they act on that show, but it's funny as hell. Kind of like that, right? Just be stupid in your videos if you have to. It gets people's attention because, I don't know, it just does. Okay, this is an old school tram back here. Let's go take a look at it. Yeah, that's old. Was that like 1970s? Pretty cool, man. I like how retro this town can be. Yeah, this town's pretty retro at times. Look, that thing is old. That's got to be like 60s or 70s. That's an old one. Yeah, this one is old too. Look how old that is. Man, it's about to fall apart. The older the better, right? This is kind of a neat area. I'm gonna squeeze in through here. Oh man. Oops. It's like a castle or something. Looks like a castle. You know, if I get hit by a tram or a car in this town, just tell my mom she can have my shoes. Damn, dude. See, I almost got killed. Seriously. Could have had a funeral, but I got lucky. Was that cough medicine? Dude, this is retro. Look at this, 1970s. This is freaking old. This thing's old, rusty clunker, man. I like it. This it's like it takes me back to the 80s. There it goes. Yeah, that's an old rusting. Hear that? Jeez Louise, put some oil on that. Man, that thing makes a lot of noise. Old stuff is the best. God, that thing is loud. That needs some oil, man. Or some bolts tightened. That thing's about to fall apart in the street. Cool tram, I like it. I like that. That thing's gonna fall to pieces in the street. I'm not going. I'll look at that later. Let's see if we see any beat up cars. Because the beat up cars are the coolest cars. Another old school tram. Hey, check this out. It's a tattoo studio. See, this is my kind of hangout. Sitting in a chair, getting needled to death, poked a million times, getting a cool permanent mark on your body. Tattoo is my type of hangout. But I'm running out of space on my body. I don't think I have any more room. I'm more tattooed than man. You didn't think of something else to get. This is kind of a cool area through here. Let's go this way. Look at this. Look at this. This is an obstacle. I'm trying to walk on the sidewalk, and these crappy scooters, look, these things need to be abolished. These are annoying. They're a hazard. You know, you can get ran over by one of these. And look at this. I'm trying to walk by, and these are in my way. God, I hate those electric scooters, man. Yeah, I've almost been hit by one of those a few times. That's not funny. And there's no liability when you are hit by one of those. If someone hits you, it's too bad. You're injured. Nothing gets done about it. And the guy that hit you gets to ride off into the sunset in his lime scooter. Yeah, they need to get rid of those things. I remember in Paris, they really hated them, and I think they got rid of them. And they have them in Iași, really? Am I gonna get hit by a scooter and have to fly home in a wheelchair? Yeah, I don't know about you, I'm having fun. See what's... I'm not gonna go up there. I don't think there's anything up there. You know, I might stop at the Mega Image and get something to eat. I need a banana. By the way, where am I? Geez, someone went insane. The spray can. Look at that. Look, it's another old one. Yeah, I like these old cars, but they make a lot of noise. You know, I really don't know what part of town I'm in. So let me see. Where am I? Kind of lost in Iași. Yep, I'm lost in Iași, man. Ooh, I think I know which way I'm going. God, look at this relic. It's an old building. That's pretty old. It's a pretty cool looking suit. I mean, I wouldn't wear it, but it looks nice. Jeez Louise, I don't know where I'm at. Okay, yeah, I know where I'm at. That building that says the big, yeah, what's big? I don't get it, but it's up there. You know, I didn't realize there's a lot of shops down here. Ladies shops, you know. If you're looking for a dress, this is the street to get it on. Look how retro this thing is. Check it out. Look at that. This is from the 1960s. That is old. Okay, I am out of time. I need to end this video.